Chris Lehenbauer here, back for video number 6 in our electronics mounting series. In this video, we're still talking about mounting components directly to your clicks, but this time without using screws. Remember, even if you use some type of permanent mounting mechanism, you can move, remove, reorganize your components to your heart's content when you're building your project. That's really what sets this approach apart from all other project building methods. So let's start with the easiest, most obvious approach. 400 pin breadboards like this one almost always ship already supplied with double-sided tape on the back. And as you can see, they are a perfect fit on our standard 2x3 click, just peel and stick. As a matter of fact, you can use double-sided tape for a lot of the components that we showed you in the last video instead of screws. We got this at an office supply store, but places like Target and Walmart have the same thing. We prefer the high-quality Scotch 3M brand. What about batteries and other things that aren't necessarily flat and do not have mounting holes? Lots of options. You can use zip ties, rubber bands, glue, whatever makes sense to you in that application. You know how zip ties work. Place it on the click, thread it around, snug it up really well, and then just trim off the excess. If you're going to be using something that is a lot narrower than the platform on the click, I strongly recommend drilling holes in the platform and then threading the zip tie through those holes. What you want to do is prevent the platform from being warped by the zip tie, which splays out the legs, making it hard to insert it into the matrix. So here's an example where glue turned out to be the best option. This nice 18650 battery holder does have mounting holes for screws, but I didn't have the right size and it's pretty finicky. So I just used super glue, and you can see it's a perfect fit on a 1x3 click. And finally, a reminder, don't put glue in the spring corners of the click. You could accidentally immobilize those little spring feet and then the click will not work properly. That's it for now. Be sure to join us next week for our next installment. In the meantime, happy making.